Are you tired of using synthetic chemicals and artificial ingredients to solve your health and wellness issues? Then look no further than the natural and organic solution of clove. This aromatic spice, native to Indonesia, has a long history of use in traditional medicine and cooking and is packed with a variety of natural benefits. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the medicinal properties of clove and how it can be used in your cooking and natural home remedies. Get ready to ditch the chemicals and embrace the power of nature with clove. Have you ever heard of clove? This aromatic spice is indigenous to Indonesia and has a long history of use in traditional medicine and cooking. But did you know that clove has a number of natural, organic benefits that make it a must-have in your pantry? First, let's take a look at the history of clove. The clove tree, scientifically known as Syzygium aromaticum, is a tropical evergreen tree that produces pink flowers, which eventually develop into the familiar clove spice. Cloves have been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine, dating back to ancient China and India. In fact, cloves were so highly valued that they were often used as a form of currency. But it's not just the rich history that makes clove a unique and valuable spice. Clove has a number of natural organic benefits that make it a great addition to your diet and home remedies. One of the best-known benefits of clove is its pain-relieving properties. Clove oil, which is extracted from the clove plant, has been used for centuries to alleviate toothaches and other types of pain. The active compound in clove oil, eugenol, is a natural anesthetic and anti-inflammatory, making it effective at reducing swelling and numbness. In fact, many over-the-counter dental pain medications contain eugenol as an active ingredient. But clove isn't just useful for relieving pain. It's also been shown to have antibacterial and antiviral properties, making it a great natural alternative to synthetic antibiotics. The active compounds in clove, including eugenol and caryophyllene, have been found to be effective at killing a variety of bacteria and viruses, including E. coli and the flu virus. In addition, clove has been shown to have antifungal properties, making it a useful tool in fighting off fungal infections. Clove may also have anti-aging effects on the skin. Its antioxidant content may protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to the appearance of aging. Some studies have also indicated that clove oil may help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. The active compound eugenol in clove has anti-inflammatory properties, making it a potential natural remedy for conditions like arthritis and other types of inflammation. Clove may improve digestion by stimulating the production of digestive juices and enzymes. It may also help reduce bloating and other digestive issues. In addition to its medicinal uses, clove is also a great addition to your cooking. Its warm, sweet, and slightly bitter flavor adds depth and complexity to a variety of dishes, from savory meats to sweet desserts. It's a common ingredient in spice blends, such as garam masala and pumpkin pie spice, and is often used in marinades and rubs for meats. But the benefits of clove don't stop there. Clove is also high in antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause harm to your body's cells, leading to a variety of health problems. By neutralizing these free radicals, antioxidants can help reduce your risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. If you're interested in learning more about natural and organic solutions for your health and wellness, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll keep you updated with new videos and information about natural remedies and ingredients. In addition to its antioxidant content, clove is also a good source of essential vitamins and minerals. It's particularly high in manganese, which is important for maintaining healthy bones, and also contains significant amounts of vitamin K and vitamin C. So, now that you've learned all about clove's natural organic benefits, how can you incorporate it into your diet? There are plenty of ways to enjoy this aromatic spice, both in the kitchen and as a natural home remedy. One of the easiest ways to add cloves to your diet is to use them in your cooking. As mentioned earlier, it's a common ingredient in spice blends and can be used to add flavor to a variety of dishes. Try adding a pinch of ground clove to your next batch of chili or stew, or use it to make your own pumpkin pie spice blend. Clove oil can also be used as a natural home remedy for a variety of ailments. For toothaches, you can apply a small amount of clove oil directly to the affected tooth using a cotton swab. Be sure to use caution when using clove oil, as it can be irritating to the skin and mucous membranes if used in large amounts. You can also use clove oil to make your own natural cleaning products. Mix a few drops of clove oil with water and vinegar to create a natural all-purpose cleaner that is safe for use on a variety of surfaces. Clove oil can also be used as a natural air freshener. Simply add a few drops to a diffuser or mix with water in a spray bottle to create a refreshing, aromatic mist. In addition to using clove oil, you can also incorporate whole or ground cloves into your diet by adding them to your cooking. Whole cloves can be used to infuse flavors into soups, stews, and marinades, while ground cloves can be added to baked goods, spice blends, and meat rubs. Overall, clove is a versatile and aromatic spice with a number of natural and organic benefits. From relieving pain and fighting infections to adding flavor to your cooking, cloves are a valuable ingredient to have in your pantry. So, the next time you want to add a little something extra to your dishes or need a natural home remedy, give clove a try. Have you tried using clove in your cooking or home remedies? If so, then we'd love to hear about your experiences in the comment section below. Share your tips and tricks for using clove, and let us know if it has made a positive impact on your health and wellness. Here's a bonus tip for making the perfect cup of clove tea at home. Clove tea is a simple and aromatic way to enjoy the natural benefits of clove. Here's how to make clove tea. Ingredients includes 1 cup of water, 1 cinnamon stick, this is optional, 2 to 3 whole cloves, 1 teaspoon honey, this is also optional. Now, you can follow these simple instructions. 1. Bring the water to a boil in a small saucepan. 2. Add the cinnamon stick and cloves to the water. 3. Reduce the heat to low and let the tea simmer for 5 to 10 minutes, or until it has reached your desired strength. 4. Remove the saucepan from the heat and strain the tea into a mug using a fine mesh strainer. 5. Sweeten the tea with honey, if desired. Finally, enjoy your warm clove tea. Did you know that you can add other herbs and spices to your clove tea to give it a unique twist? Try adding a few slices of fresh ginger or a pinch of cardamom for a spicy kick, or mix in a spoonful of honey for a touch of sweetness. The possibilities are endless. Get creative and see what flavors you can come up with. And don't be afraid to experiment with the amounts of cloves and cinnamon to suit your taste. Whether you like a stronger, bolder flavor or a more subtle, aromatic brew, you can customize your clove tea to your liking. So go ahead and experiment. The perfect cup of clove tea is just a few simple ingredients away. I hope that you found this video informative and valuable, and I look forward to continuing to share helpful and useful content with you in the future.